I'm talking about today. We talking about beautiful weather. What's up, everybody? It's Quinn with Elite Lawn Care. Me and Corey done got to another one. Let me get on over here real quick. Get these gloves. Yeah, me and Corey done got to another one. We got one across the street from each other, so we doing this one today and that one right there. So we just gonna ride with it out, get everything cracking. I ain't even talking about nothing for real. Just another day of mowing, getting these yards cleaned up. Here we go. We about to get to it. I'll be right back at you. Yes, sir. I like usually getting that one out the way. I'm about to cut this front, then cut the other front. In the back, you got the gate.
No, I ain't doing the back right on. Right, it's not right there.
People, when it's been wet outside, you gotta walk them. It's best to walk them when it'll rain for a while. Walk them that way you won't tear up the ground. people. Yeah, we got 2 right here. I had Corey usually cut the backs. If I can't get the big mower back there, he'll usually run and knock those backyards off. And usually by the time I'm done edging, trimming, and all that, he's usually getting done with the backyard. So we be right on point. Everything is just got to work as a system. If I'm mowing, he usually trimming and edging. And by the time I should get done, usually get done mowing or whatever, he usually be blowing off the yard by then. That's the most efficient way. Unless it's a big property, that's the only time you're gonna need 2 big mowers. I know I gotta get another one. Not just to have a big one, you just gotta have a backup too, because these service locations, I did come across a private person who does it, who services these out of, he has a garage at his home. And he been doing this for 20, 30 years, repairing mowers and everything, and lawn equipment like that. So I got a hold of him. And so just in case, if I can't go to my dealer, they're back though, because usually mowers, service you can get done usually in about, I say, you can get done with service, you can get 2-3 days of service, sometimes same day. It depends on who you talk to and what you're talking about doing. And but when it comes to problems like any type of repairs or anything, like on trimmers and trimmers 2-cycle stuff like that, they're like 2.5 weeks out most of the time. And then when it comes to the actual more repair for a breakdown, not just service but more repair, that's usually about anywhere from 2 to 2.5 weeks out. So if your equipment go down and you don't have anybody to repair it, sometimes you could be sorry out of luck, and that's a hard pill to swallow. You got the money, nothing holding you back, but these places have so much equipment in you wouldn't believe. It'd be crazy. But like I said, I'm about to go and start edging. I'm gonna edge the front, then I'm gonna trim the front, and I should be pretty much done and blowing it off by the time he get done. So right back at you. Don't worry about it. I'll put it up. Quinn, I'll put it up. Go back there. I'll put it up because I got more in there. Okay, y'all, we got both properties cleaned up, good to go. Hold on. It just kills me when people claim they don't need cleanups, but then on the first property you got to charge them more because they didn't get the cleanup. So we're trying to just taking a little more time like as usual. That's why I started earlier than normal, because it throw everything off. So who? Nah, I ain't seen nothing running around. I'd have sure told you. Alright. But yeah, we got both properties done. Here we go, front and back. Front and back, we did this one. Cleared that off. And the one across the street. Just got it together. Neither one of them was in dire need for a cut, but they did need to be cleaned up and get trained. I have not bought. I got to get my sprayer back out and keep that in the trailer because but it's been so cold at night, so. But I'm gonna have to start bringing it back in and out so we can spray these driveways, so I won't have to worry about it. None of these. I usually spray the stuff that grows all the time. All the grass. You got everything good to go?
Yeah.
All right.
Putting your gloves in.
I'm gonna put them in the back of the truck since you already locked it up. Yeah, but every time I usually do new yards, if they got a lot of grass or whatever weeds growing in their driveway, I usually put kill all the weeds off, get that out the way. It makes everything so much quicker. But all right, it's Lee Cuts, and we out.